Alright guys, what's good? Some birds, because I found... Here we have Woody. There we found this sweet new... And it's a bird rescue. And... Well, Hobo sleeping. Hi Hobo. Hey bud. What did you say, Pistachio? I love these guys. Every time I come here, I meet these people. Sunny! Hey! Let's go! Hello! Sunny! Come on, let's go for a walk. Hello? Sunny! Howie! Sunny! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Hello? Those are beautiful wings. Oh yes. I've never pet a macaw like this. No, this is that scary beak right there. Oh, so they're actually bigger, huh? Oh, sorry, bud. I'm sorry. Sorry. Cockatoo. Woody. Oh my gosh. Beautiful bird. Oh. Woody. Batman. That's why I used to Gotham. Cockatoo.
I did the same thing. I was like,
Why do you groom yourself while you eat?
He's hiding the food in his feathers.
Woody. The weirdest bird ever. Do you cuddle? Oh wow. Woody. How old is Woody?
7, I think.
Yeah, 7 or
Where's his cage? Let's go see his cage.
It's the first one.